forget. Sandwiches and snacks are set, juicy fruit and lemonade. Let's go play in the sun and shade. Pack a blanket, napkins too. Mom and Dad are coming through. Picnic time, hooray, hooray. We're off to laugh and play today. Picnic time, let's go, go, go to the park where flowers grow. Under trees and sky so blue, we'll have fun, me and you. Lay the blanket in the shade of the tree. Food and games, let the fun begin. Picnic time, hooray, hooray. What a sunny, yummy day. Look, a tree with lots of shade, perfect place where fun is made. Lay it out, the food goes here. Let's all shout a picnic cheer. Yippee! Says Little Sundew. I love sharing food and joy with you. Spread the love, it's family time. We're so happy, what a rhyme. I spy with my little eye a butterfly that flutters by. Simon says, touch your toes. Now clap your hands and strike a pose. Hop like bunnies, twirl around. Laughter echoing all around. Giggly games and tasty snacks we'll remember when we look back. Now it's time to pack away. We had such a splendid day. Pick up cups and paper too. Leave the park like it was new. Little Sundew says with cheer, let's come back again next year. Wave goodbye and smile wide.